If you're looking for the 6 best budget 3D printers for 2025 that are actually worth buying, well, you're in the right place. We've dug deep and conducted extensive research, and now we're breaking down the absolute 6 best budget 3D printers for 2025 that are actually worth buying. We're talking about the perfect balance between price and performance, tailored for different scenarios. If you're eager to find out which suits you best, don't go anywhere. Stick around till the end because we've got all the links for the best prices in the description below. No specific order, just the top contenders in the game. Ready to dive into the world of 6 best budget 3D printers for 2025 that are actually worth buying? Let's get started. Number 6, Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact yet surprisingly powerful 3D printer that has quickly gained attention among budget-friendly options in 2025. Designed with beginners and casual makers in mind, it offers an easy plug-and-play setup that eliminates the steep learning curve often associated with 3D printing. Its lightweight build and small footprint make it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or limited workspace setups. Despite its size, the A1 Mini delivers consistent results thanks to Bambu's precision engineering and thoughtful design. It supports a wide range of filaments, so you aren't limited to just basic PLA. With a fully enclosed print chamber and silent operation, it's also well-suited for home use without causing noise disturbances. What stands out is its built-in auto-calibration system, which makes sure your prints start smoothly every time, even if you are new to the hobby. The machine also connects seamlessly with companion software, making slicing and printing straightforward. While it may not compete with higher-end machines in terms of large build volume or advanced materials, it nails the essentials that matter most to budget-conscious users. For its price, the reliability, convenience, and user-friendliness of the Bambu Lab A1 Mini make it one of the best starter 3D printers of 2025. It's a great pick for students, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to explore 3D printing without spending a fortune. Number 5, Anycubic Photon Mono 2. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a resin printer that stands out for its affordability without cutting corners on print quality. Resin printing can feel intimidating for beginners, but Anycubic has made it far more approachable with the Mono 2. It features a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD that delivers fine detail, crisp layers, and faster curing times compared to older models. The build volume is decent for a budget resin printer, letting you create small to medium-sized models with precision. The machine's design is compact and neatly enclosed, which not only helps with safety, but also reduces mess from liquid resin exposure. What makes the Photon Mono 2 shine is its balance of price and performance. It produces detailed miniatures, prototypes, and small parts that are difficult to achieve with filament printers in the same price range. Anycubic has also updated its software for easier slicing and printing, making the workflow smoother even for new users. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, and the printer's UV light source ensures even curing across the entire build plate. While resin requires more care than filament, the results are worth it if you need sharp details. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 offers tremendous value for hobbyists, model makers, or designers who want professional-looking prints without paying premium prices. It's an ideal entry point into resin printing in 2025, giving you access to high-resolution results without overspending. Number 4, Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a filament-based 3D printer that brings advanced features into the budget category. It boasts a generous build volume, which means you can create larger projects without splitting them into multiple parts. The Neptune 4 Plus is equipped with a direct drive extruder, which improves printing with flexible filaments like TPU, while also maintaining consistent quality with standard materials. One of the most appealing aspects of this printer is its fast printing capability. With upgraded cooling and motion systems, it achieves higher speeds without sacrificing detail or accuracy. Autobed leveling takes the hassle out of setup, ensuring the first layer adheres properly for smooth results. The touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate, making the printer more beginner-friendly. For safety, the machine includes thermal runaway protection, giving you peace of mind during long print jobs. Elegoo's reputation for reliable, budget-conscious machines continues with the Neptune 4 Plus, which offers an excellent balance between affordability, performance, and ease of use. It's a great choice if you want a bigger machine that doesn't compromise on essential features. Whether you're printing cosplay props, household items, or detailed prototypes, the Neptune 4 Plus delivers consistent performance. For anyone seeking a dependable mid-size 3D printer at a budget price in 2025, this model deserves serious consideration. Number 3. Toybox 3D Printer Starter Bundle. The Toybox 3D Printer Starter Bundle is an interesting addition to this list because it's not aimed at advanced makers, but rather families, kids, and total beginners. This printer is marketed as a fun, accessible way to explore 3D printing without technical headaches. Its compact and colorful design makes it inviting for children, while the easy-to-use app-based interface lets you send prints with a single tap. The Toybox printer is designed with safety in mind, ensuring that young users can operate it without worry. What sets it apart is its library of ready-to-print designs, giving users instant access to thousands of models without the need for complex slicing software. Parents can also monitor and guide usage easily, making it a great educational tool. While it doesn't offer the largest build volume or most advanced features, it focuses on what matters for its audience: simplicity and creativity. The included starter bundle ensures you have everything needed to get started, from filaments to project ideas. Prints are surprisingly detailed for such a small machine, and the printer is reliable for daily use. If you're looking to introduce children to technology or want a fun, easy entry point into 3D printing, the Toybox is a perfect match. In 2025, it continues to be a top recommendation for families who want a budget-friendly way to encourage learning and creativity. Number 2. Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra takes resin printing to the next level while staying in the affordable price range. Known for its excellent detail and smooth finishes, the Mars 5 Ultra is especially popular among miniature makers, tabletop gamers, and professionals needing prototypes. It features a high-resolution monochrome screen, which translates to faster prints and extended screen life. The improved build plate design offers better adhesion and reduces print failures, saving both time and materials. Elegoo has also refined its slicing software, giving users more control and faster processing. The Mars 5 Ultra's build volume is generous for a resin printer, allowing you to work on bigger projects without upgrading to an expensive professional machine. Another highlight is its efficient air filtration system, which minimizes resin odors and makes indoor use more comfortable. Despite being a resin printer, it is relatively easy to maintain with a straightforward cleaning process and reliable hardware. For those who need detail that filament printers cannot provide, this model shines as a cost-effective solution. It's an excellent upgrade for anyone who started with older resin printers and now wants improved speed and reliability. The Mars 5 Ultra combines affordability, precision, and ease of use, making it one of the best resin printers you can buy in 2025 without straining your budget. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3. The Creality Ender 3 V3 continues the legendary Ender series, offering one of the most balanced and affordable 3D printers for 2025. Creality has refined the design over multiple versions, and the V3 stands out as their most polished budget model yet. It features a sturdy frame, improved motion system, and a direct drive extruder that delivers reliable results across a wide range of filaments. The build volume is generous for the price, allowing you to take on larger projects without limitations. What makes the Ender 3 V3 especially appealing is its upgraded auto bed leveling system, which simplifies setup and ensures consistent prints from the very first layer. The printer also supports faster print speeds while maintaining accuracy, making it ideal for both hobbyists and light professional work. With an easy-to-use interface and strong community support, troubleshooting and upgrades are straightforward. The open design encourages tinkering, so advanced users can push the machine further with mods and enhancements. For beginners, the out-of-the-box performance is excellent, requiring minimal adjustments. Safety features such as thermal protection and filament runout detection add extra reliability during long jobs. Simply put, the Ender 3 V3 delivers a mix of affordability, performance, and versatility that few other printers in this price range can match. That's why it earns the #1 spot on this list of the best budget 3D printers of 2025.